Are you looking for the which car scratch remover actually works? We tested 5 popular ones. Which car scratch remover actually works? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Every bottle promises miracles, but most leave you wondering if you just wasted your money. Today, I'm cutting through the noise with 5 real contenders that people are actually buying and using. Product number 1, Carfidant Scratch Repair Kit. First up is the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Kit. This one caught my eye because it comes with a buffer pad and markets itself as an all-in-one solution for light scratches and swirls. At $21.97, it's mid-range, not the cheapest, not the most expensive. If you want something that feels professional but doesn't require a machine polisher, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included buffer pad means you don't need extra tools, and the formula is safe on all paint types, clear coat, single stage, even multi-stage finishes. It's designed to remove light scratches, oxidation, and water spots while restoring gloss. Over 10,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells me it's popular for a reason. The premium chemical blend avoids dyes and scents, so it won't leave weird residues or smells. Now, some people complained about inconsistent results on deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for deep gouges. It's for surface level wear, like door dings or shopping cart marks. If you expect it to fix a key scratch down to the metal, you'll be disappointed. But for everyday swirls and light damage, it holds up well. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend detailer who wants a simple, no-fuss fix without investing. Product number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Now, if Carfidant's kit felt a bit basic, this next one takes a more aggressive approach. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Priced at $13.97, it's one of the most affordable pro-grade options out there. Don't let the low price fool you. This is a serious paint correction compound used by detailers. Here's why this matters for you. It uses micro-abrasive technology with aluminum oxide to cut through swirls, oxidation, and light scratches fast, without hazing on clear coats. It works by hand or with a polisher, so you can adapt it to your skill level. Over 10,000 units sold last month show it's trusted by both DIYers and pros. The cream formula spreads easily and leaves a high gloss finish, almost like a showroom shine. Now, some users said it can leave micro-marring if you're not careful with your technique. Here's the thing though, that's less about the product and more about user error. If you rush or use too much pressure, any compound can cause issues. But if you follow the instructions and work in small sections, the results are impressive for the price. This is perfect for you if you want professional level correction without spending $50 on a compound. Skip this one if you're a... Product number 3, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for speed and convenience, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. At $15.46, it includes Scratch-X compound, a drill-mounted foam pad, and a microfiber towel. It's like a mini detailing station in a box. Here's why this matters for you. The drill attachment does the hard work for you. No more sore arms from hand buffing. It's designed for light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer, perfect for parking lot mishaps. The micro-abrasive technology in Scratch-X removes blemishes without damaging clear coats. And with 8,000 plus sold recently, it's clearly a favorite for quick fixes. Now, some people complained the pod wears out fast or doesn't fit all drills snugly. Here's the thing though, the pod is meant to be replaced and it's cheap to buy extras. As for the fit, most standard drills work fine. Just make sure you're using a quality check. It's not a deal breaker, just a minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want fast, effective results with minimal effort and already own a drill. Skip this one if you don't have a drill or prefer doing everything by hand. For the convenience factor alone, it's a... Product number 4, Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound. Now, if the quick eraser is for light fixes, this next one is for when things get serious. Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound. There's no listed price, but it usually runs around $20 to $25. This is the heavy hitter on the list, capable of removing moderate to deep scratches, even sanding marks up to 1200 grit. Here's why this matters for you. It uses super micro abrasives that cut fast but leave a high gloss finish. No need for a second polishing step in many cases.
It's safe on all glossy paints and clear coats, and you can use it by hand, DA polisher, or rotary buffer. With 5,000 plus sold, it's a go-to for detailers tackling tough jobs. Now, some users said it can be too aggressive for beginners and risks burning paint if used incorrectly with a rotary. Here's the thing though, that's why it's labeled as a pro-grade product. If you're careful, work in small areas, and keep the pat moving, it's incredibly effective. But if you're new to machine polishing, this might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you've got deep swirls, water spots, or old paint that needs serious correction. Skip this one if you're a first-time detailer or only dealing with light surface scratches. When used right...
Product number 5, Chemical Guys VSS One Step. Finally, we have the Chemical Guys VSS One Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. At $21.97, it's priced similarly to Carfidant, but it promises to combine cutting and polishing in one step, saving you time and effort. Here's why this matters for you. It removes light to moderate scratches, swirls, and even holograms while leaving a high gloss finish. It's silicone-free, so it's safe for body shops and won't interfere with future coatings. Works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, you name it. Over 2,000 sold shows it's trusted by enthusiasts who want versatility. Now, some people said it's not strong enough for deep defects and works best as a maintenance polish. Here's the thing though, that's actually by design. It's meant to be a one-step solution for regular upkeep, not a heavy correction tool. If you keep up with detailing, this keeps your car looking sharp without overworking the paint. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable multi-surface polish that simplifies your routine. Skip this one if you need...
So which one should you pick? If you want ease and a buffer pad included, go Carfidant. Need pro-level correction on a budget? Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Want speed with a drill? The Quick Eraser Kit. Tackling deep damage? M105 is your beast. And for all-around maintenance, Chemical Guys VSS delivers. Each has its place. Pick based on your car's condition and your comfort level.